Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Optimus Prime and this is from the TrackFleet set, and I'm really glad that I got this one. So thanks to one of my group member, he actually told me that to order this from Amazon, and I bought it for MRP only, not more than that. So luckily it paid off, and so as you can see, I'm just unboxing while I'm talking because I'm really excited to unbox this one. So originally I planned to unbox this during the premiere of Transformers, that new animated movie. So I did watch that movie. It was really nice. So let me just take it out. Really don't want to damage the card as well. Okay. So here it is. So if you didn't watch the movie yet, go ahead and watch it because that was one of the beautiful or awesome origin stories ever told. So yeah. Okay, let's talk about this casting now. Okay, so this entire part, the trailer is fully plastic, and even the chassis is plastic in this one. Even this part looks and feels plastic. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is plastic, I guess. I think this chromed out plastic. So only this part here, this is metal, this is also plastic, and the bed is also plastic. So only this part here, this is metal, that's it. So honestly, if you ask me if this is worth $4.99, no, it's not. So it doesn't have any moving parts. It is not even full metal, if you ask me. It doesn't even work that much, even including, see, this part here, this exhaust pipe here. So these are actually plastic, these are not metal. Honestly, they could have at least made this openable truck door here, the cargo door here. But the detailing looks really nice. Since it's plastic, I think they can easily mold it instead of a die cast one. Just like just like this resin models. So because resin models are, it has a lot of details, but it is really delicate. Okay, honestly, I don't think I can talk much about this casting because every part here is plastic apart from this head here. So the engine cabin, or the cockpit, you can say. I really like saying cockpit because you can see the other cars like Lamborghini and all, they actually mention it kind of, they design that entire driver cabin in that way. Okay, the logo looks really nice in this one. At least they did logo placement good in this one. But apart from that, there are no details at all. Only this trailer here has some kind of details. It's just one stripe of paint, nothing. Nothing much. Okay, so the rims looks really nice. Okay, this is the same rim set you saw in that Volvo camper. Okay, let's do a roll test and see how this one rolls. Okay, it rolls really good compared to other main lines and all, but it does have a lot of wheel wobble. You can see, since it's open, it is not covered with anything. You can easily see that. But honestly, the Volvo did really better on this. I mean, it did really best, even with a slight push. But this is not really that fast or that smooth. It is noisy and it has a lot of wheel wobble, and it is okay. But compared to a lot of main lanes which we unboxed even in the PKs and all, this is better. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.